And here's the next one, as I promised, OpenToonz and the Plastictool for animations. Have fun! So in this short tutorial I will import an image that I painted with Clip Studio Paint. This is this guy eater. I don't know what it really is. It is kind of a mouth that we can animate, and we will do this right now when we transform this image into a mesh. First, let's define the number of frames for this animation we are going to create. Let's say 12 frames, that's okay. And then we will use the Plastictool. You find it in the Tools panel here on the left. Select it and we choose Create Mesh. In the opening window you can define the density of the mesh. So this will be a dense mesh and the margin of the mesh in pixels. And now let's see. Yeah, this looks nice. Here in the middle we have some artifacts, but I think we can ignore them because they are not connected to the main mesh. And the next thing we do is we will create a skeleton. This is this option here. It is already selected. Then click right into the mesh, and the first click defines the root node. And after that, each click defines the next bone. Then I return to the root joint, select this, and then I extend this skeleton for the left side. And that's it. We created a skeleton, and after that I choose Animate. And in this animation mode I can select a joint, rotate it automatically on the right side for the frame that I have selected. There is a keyframe added. This means the current state of this mesh is stored for this frame. And disabling the keep distance, I also can move the joints and stretch my mesh for these positions. Now let's select frame number 8 and move my joints to have a kind of mouth open state. Okay, let's just open this mouth by rotating the joints. Yeah, this looks quite scary, but I like it. Okay, as you see in the frame number 8, again the keyframe is added automatically. And when you move through the frames now, you can kind of preview how your animation will look like. Already quite nice, isn't it? Now there's just one thing troubling me, and this is that the upper part of the mesh is also affected when I move my joints. Okay, and I don't want this, and so I change to Paint Rigid. If you know Blender, then you know weight painting, and this is nothing else. You select Rigid for painting, and then I paint these upper parts here in red color, and this means when I move my joints, then this part won't be affected. Okay, now let's see, we paint this here in red, then switch back to Animate, and now let's do the same and move through the animation, and as you can see, the upper parts won't move. Great feature. Let's finish the animation and copy the first frame to the last frame. I select the last frame, move a joint, and then a keyframe is automatically generated. Then select the first frame and press copy, then the last frame or the last key in this frame, and press insert paste. And now this is our animation. Let's preview this. I normally hide this mesh, select my first level and play my animation in a loop. And yeah, looks quite cool. I don't know what this guy is, as I said, but it looks quite cool. I hope you get the idea and you like the tutorial. If you do, let me know and subscribe to my channel. Here's the link. And it would also be pretty cool if you could support me on my Patreon so that I have more time to create tutorials like this. So thanks a lot for watching, and if you have any comments or questions, just use the comments section of this video and I hope to see you soon here on my channel.